Hello, this is Karen Yancey with Online Learning Services at the College of St. Rose, and I'm going to show you how to integrate a Credo tutorial or video into your Canvas course. Credo is a program that provides a lot of tutorials and videos, and you can find a lot of them at the College of St. Rose Neil Hellman Library website. However, when you're on the website, do not use the URL that is in the URL bar. That is an incorrect link. You will need to contact the Online Learning Services staff for a list of the correct links that you can use to integrate into your Canvas course. After you've contacted the staff, you'll find it is in an Excel file. Copy the link in the Excel file for the video or tutorial that you are interested in. Now go to your Canvas course and go to Modules. At the top of the module, select the Add button. Select External Tool from the drop-down menu, and then scroll down to find Credo Instruct. Click on Credo Instruct, and then scroll down the other bar to get to the URL box. Paste the URL that you copied into that box. Change the name of the page to the name of the video or tutorial. And then select Add Item. Now go down to that module, publish the link that you've added. Click on the link to make sure that it has loaded correctly and has integrated properly. And you will see that the tutorial or video has been embedded into your course, and you can manipulate it through the player, and there is a text of the script, and the students can speed up or slow down the playback speed and adjust the volume. That's all. Thanks for watching. This is Karen Yancey signing off.